Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue the third lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard Second, Parts of a Computer. And today's topic is the keyboard. Dear students, the keyboard is used to write. The keyboard has many keys on it. There are letter keys A to Z and number keys 0 to 9. The letter keys are used to write words and sentences. The number keys are used to write numbers. The space bar is used to put space between letters or words. The enter key is used to go to the next line. The caps lock key and the shift key is used to type in capital letters. The cursor keys are used to move the cursor up or down of a line and to the left or right of a line. The backspace key and the delete key is used to erase what you have typed. So my dear students, in this video we have learned about the keyboard. So watch the video carefully.